Today we will be adding health bars and power-ups to the game. Also, I'm not using Gondiad or anything else. If this looks some different, it's just Scratch add-ons. First, let's make health bars. Make a new sprite and don't add any sprite. It should be blank.
Make sure it's blank.
Now add this code.
Make sure it's with no refresh screen.
Also, to adjust the X and Y of the health bars, use this. Now here's a problem. See it for yourself. The health bar is small. Now here's a fix to that. You need to set the boss health to 100. Now some PPL want their boss to be lower than 100, so just double the DMG of the bullet. Now it's 50. Okay, we're done with the health bars. Let's get on the power-ups. You can add anything you want, but for now I will just add a +1 health power-up. Now let's just add some modifications. Well, I guess that's it. Bye, see you soon.